Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is good. Welcome back our online class English first standard. Students, in our previous videos we have seen a lesson, we have studied about directions. Okay? Once again I am going to remind about directions. What are the different directions and how can we find the directions in easy way? Okay, once again we'll remember the lesson, and here the lesson name is directions. This is our 8th lesson in English subject. Okay, we know that every morning sun will appear in the sky. Yes or no? Sun will appear in the sky every day morning. Okay, see, when the sun is rising in one direction and sun setting in another direction. So it traveling from one direction to another direction. Okay? So usually we are sleeping at night time and getting up at morning, right? So after getting up, we are facing towards the sun. We are feeling the sunlight. Yes or no? We are feeling sunlight in the morning time. For example, nowadays we are feeling very cool, wearing sweaters and different blankets we are using. Then also we are not feeling warm, means hot. When you get up in the morning, you are going outside standing in sunlight. Why you are standing? Because you need heat. You want to make your body warm, hot. Okay. So you are facing towards sun and you are feeling the sunlight. Okay. So when the sun rises in the morning, that is called east side. East side the sun is always rises. Understand? So we have 4 directions. How many directions? 4 directions we have: east, west, north, south. 4 directions: east, west, north, south. These are the 4 directions we have. So the sun is always rises in the east. Okay, the sun is always rises in the east in the morning. Okay, next, sun always sets in the evening at west direction. So now how can you find the directions? See, for example, I was standing in front of you. Okay, I am standing in front of you. So can you tell me in which direction I am looking? My face is in which direction? Can you tell me? Good. My face towards south. Okay? See, if your face towards any particular direction, for example, I am standing towards south. Okay? So south opposite is north. So front is south and back side, my back is north. So this board is in north direction. Okay? So if you observe left, it is east. Understand? And if you observe right side, it is a west direction. East, west, north, south. Okay? Next, when you change the direction towards west, okay, now you are facing towards west. So west is in your front and your back is east. Your right is north and left is south. So if you face towards west, your front side, your face side should be west. You are standing in west direction and your opposite back side, west opposite east. So your back is east. So automatically right is north and left is south. Okay. If you face towards north side, for example, if you face towards north side, this is north and your back is south. Understand? And your right, east, left, west. Okay? Here we have to remember one thing. These directions cannot move. Okay? These directions cannot move. For example, so this is earth. Okay, earth is in our shape. So this is earth. So you are standing here, for example. Okay, you are standing here. So now you are faced towards south. This is okay. Now you are facing towards south direction. So your right is west and your left is east. Your back is north and front is south. So when you change the direction from south to east, okay, so east will come in front of you and west will come your back side. Right side is north and left side is, so right side is south and left is north. We are rotating ourselves. Understand? Directions cannot move. We are rotating ourselves. Rotating means moving in a round shape. Okay, so we are moving from east to north, north to west, west to south, again south to east, but these directions cannot move at any cost. So who is moving here? We humans are moving. Understand? So east opposite west and north opposite south. Okay, you know sun. The sun, see the sun and the earth. Okay, so we are discussing about sun and earth. So this is east and east opposite west, north opposite south. So these are the four directions we have. Okay. So now here you are in center. I already told you, if you face towards east, okay, your front will be east and your back west, left side is north and right side is south. Okay, here we are moving, we are rotating ourselves, but these directions cannot move. So who is moving here? The earth. This is the earth and it is moving in different direction. Understand? See, I already told you the sun always rises in the east. So this is sun. The sun is always rises in the east in the morning time. Remember this. The sun is always rises in the east in the morning. Okay, so here west, here sunset. So east opposite west, sun setting in the evening in west side. Okay, so here we have to remember one thing. This sun, the sun cannot move anywhere. Then who is moving? Earth. I already told you this is earth. Earth is moving around the sun. Understand? Earth is moving around the sun. Okay? If you see globe properly, half side will be dark and half side will be light. Why? Because Earth is rotating around the sun. Earth is rotating around the sun. So if east side is sun rising, west side compulsory it is dark. Understand? So when this earth comes here, here sunlight will come and we'll get night again. So 12 hours daytime, 12 hours night time. So if you divide this globe, half portion will be sunlight and half portion will be dark is there. Why? Because the earth is rotating the sun. So by rotating it will take 24 hours time. Understand? For example, this is sun. Okay, this sun is not moving anywhere. This is earth. So earth is moving around the sun. Okay, like this. So when the earth is moving, okay, we will get day and night time. Okay, for example, here earth is moving. If earth is one side is light and another side will be dark is there. Okay, 12 hours, 12 hours. Understand? Daytime 12 hours, night time also 12 hours. 12 plus 12, 24 hours. So here this sun is not moving anywhere. So who is moving? Earth is moving. So now you have a doubt. Sir, earth is moving, then why we are not falling down? Because we can't feel this movement. Earth is rotating around the sun, but we cannot feel this movement. That's why we are not falling down. For example, rotate yourself 2-3 seconds or 5 seconds. Just after 5 seconds, stop yourself. You are feeling down. Why? Because you are feeling that you are rotating. Understand? But here earth is also rotating, but we cannot feel that rotation. That's why we are not feeling down. Actually, the earth is always rotating the sun. The earth is always rotating the sun, but we cannot feel it. Understand? This is your lesson about directions. The sun always rises in the east in the morning and sun sets in the evening in west side. So here remember, important thing is the sun is not moving anywhere. So earth is moving. Who is moving? The earth is moving from one direction to another direction. So here 4 directions are there: east, west, north, south. East opposite is west and north opposite is south. Okay, this is your lesson about directions. Understand? Thank you.